I'm going to show you ways that you can start generating fully branded content with the latest generative AI models and doing so across varying levels of autonomy and working with agents. If you want to start generating in batches as well as start scheduling out some of your generations, what you're going to want to do is inside of the Agents tab, select the template for image generation right here. Quick image generation works perfectly fine. And then inside of the workflow canvas, you could specify which model you want to use. You'll be able to specify the number of iterations configured in the loop. This is under configure loop settings, and you'll be able to select 1 through 10. So that way, anytime that you call this tool call, it's going to automatically default to generating 3 in this case. Or in note 2, the third way that you can generate images is fully through the workflow canvas. You don't need to have these associated with agents because image generation itself is set up as a sub-agent that can be added in the node palette here under sub-agents. So you could add this to inside the workflows. Workflows you can navigate to in your dashboard under growth tools, and then you could use a template or create from scratch. As you generate, whether it's 1, 3, or 10, you'll be able to see all of your generations here in a carousel that's easily able to navigate through and save. This example, this is a health digital product without any actual physical good. So we created some book call and CTA ads for a quiz. Inside of the image generation node, you still have the ability to select reference images for the brand kit. You also can switch between different image generation models. We have them available there. But whether it's generating quick B-roll, product e-commerce photos with the brand kit and brand assets, or just simple scene creation for storyboarding and creative strategy, you can do all of this in varying degrees of autonomy. And once you've configured an actual image generation tool call, you can actually set up a trigger. So every day, that batch of image generations is going to be provided to you in a net new version. And to do so, you create a trigger under the recurring schedule capabilities. And here you could set this to daily, weekly, or monthly. Say you want every single day to get a new batch of creatives for this brand, specific to these prompts that you know are winning, as well as providing reference images that are winning viral ads. Every single morning, you'll be able to get a new batch delivered to your email, as well as inside of your account, fully generated for your review. Here's the example that I wanted to show you. Once you've configured the loop and iteration count, every time that you trigger inside of the agent builder and select this tool call, just as I did so here, and also select brand assets for a specific brand kit, you can generate not just one at a time like in the sandbox, but 3, 5, 10 as you want. And that's configurable based on the tool call up to 10. And then it puts it into a nice gallery where you can obviously edit these further as needed. And they all are shown cleanly for you here inside of the chat assistant. We do have the ability to batch generate based off reverse engineered winning ads at scale. So you could do 5, 10 generations at a time to create multiple variations to pick from. Here inside of this workflow, what I'm doing is I'm providing an input. In this case, it's this ad right here, product benefits in hand. And then this is actually going to be a sub agent, which is going to reverse engineer the ad. And it's going to break down the following key elements in which make it a good high converting ad. And then I'm going to take that output and pass it to our image generation that we're utilizing our reference images. We want to generate a static ad from the summary from our previous agent. So we have the one sub agent passing the analysis to the image generation, and utilizing Nano Banano and our brand kit, we're able to generate this version here. Now, of course, we can generate these in batches by simply configuring the loop sequence, adding more iterations to our batch generation. But you get the idea of how we're reverse engineering ads with agents within minutes. So I hope this video was clear to you on how you can start generating images within minutes using Growth Hub AI. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out, and please leave a like and comment below. It truly does help the channel out. And if you're not subscribed yet, click that button below. But I'll see you guys in the next one. It's Antonio. Peace out.